Are you in search of a reliable and versatile car DVR system to elevate your driving experience? Look no further than the Imagebon 10.26 Core Car DVR Android 13 CarPlay and Android Auto 2-in-1 car dash camera, available on AliExpress. This innovative device is equipped with cutting-edge features and advanced technology to meet all your automotive needs. Powered by a robust unisoc processor utilizing advanced CPU and GPU architecture, this car DVR boasts enhanced data operation and image processing capabilities, resulting in a significant performance boost of approximately 50% or more. Say goodbye to laggy performance with the Imagebon 10.26 car DVR. You can enjoy smooth operation even when running multiple applications simultaneously. One of the standout features of this dash cam is its seamless integration of entertainment options. The USB interface allows for easy connection of a U-disc, enabling you to watch videos and listen to music directly on the high-resolution screen. With 3 different brackets to choose from, you can customize your setup to suit your preferences with just a click, making installation a breeze. But the Imagebon 10.26 car DVR is not just about entertainment. It's also a versatile tool for various driving situations. By downloading the dedicated app, you can unlock a host of additional functionalities tailored to your needs. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or embarking on a cross-country road trip, this car DVR has you covered. Furthermore, the built-in dual-channel FM transmitter allows you to connect seamlessly to your vehicle's original audio system, ensuring superior sound quality for an immersive listening experience. Alternatively, you can utilize the O audio output to connect directly to your car's O interface, preserving the original sound quality with minimal noise and maximum fidelity. The Imagebon 10.26 Core Car DVR Android 13 CarPlay and Android Auto 2-in-1 car dash camera offers a comprehensive solution for modern drivers seeking convenience, performance, and entertainment in one sleek package. Elevate your driving experience today with the state-of-the-art car DVR system.